Hello there.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the live stream. My name's Leland. Just to start things off, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so please make your own decisions, make your own choices within your trades. How's everyone doing today? Who do we got in here? Jose? How you doing, Jose? Welcome, dude. Crypto Angel, hello. What's going on? Michael? Can't wait to see the beard. Come on, man. Midwest, hello, how are you doing? E3K by the end of the month. By the end of the month, you think so? That's interesting. Very likely. Very likely. What's going on with Bitcoin right now? Well, Bitcoin, this is a bigger Fibonacci, okay? So here's our swing high down to our swing low. If you guys have seen my videos, you know that we've got the breakout. We got the breakout, we got the resumption, and we're having the confirmation right now. We just touched that support line and we're getting to bounce off. But what's really cool is if I go ahead and I take a Fibonacci from this small one right here, you can see the area of resistance that we were looking to break was between the 618 and the 782. We've since gotten above. We still have one more hour until that candle closes, and we need to stay above $51,288. You can see we're hitting that resistance at the 882 right now. The 886, $51,932. I'm expecting this next 4-hour candle probably going to be coming back to the 51,200 before we have a resumption off. How are we looking at our MACD? Oh, that's right. I don't have to do that anymore. Look at that. So we had our cross. We had our hidden bullish divergence over here on the MACD. You could see that negative momentum was going to the downside as price action was moving up. It's really bullish. That's exactly what we want to see. And it's playing out. From that bottom that we had when we got that confirmation, that was around right there to up where we are right now. We're up 12%. 12%. So the hidden bullish divergence is playing out. We're moving up. It's a little slow, but that's good. We don't want to go straight up really quickly. We really do not. Also on the daily, if you guys haven't seen this already, freaking allergies, man. You can see that we had this massive hidden bullish divergence, really big hidden bullish divergence on the 4-hour and on the daily as well. We got that negative momentum moving to the downside, price action moving up, and we're about to have our cross. It is really close. I was telling you guys last week, Friday, that I think Monday was going to be a good day for crypto, and it looks like it's going to be probably the next day or the next day after that. I'm waiting for this cross right here. But definitely this week is going to be really nice. It's going to be really nice for crypto. So, hey Fabio, how you doing, Doe? Nice to see you here. Jeremy, hello, yo, what's going on? How you guys doing? Welcome. So Bitcoin looking really good, up 1.5% on the day, but Ethereum doing a lot better. Doing a lot better. We had a lot of news come out on Ethereum a couple days ago. EIP 59 is going to be implemented. If you guys don't know what that is, that's basically a burn feature that they're going to be adding on top of the Ethereum protocol. So all of the miners who are mining Ethereum right now won't be getting rewarded as much. There's probably going to be anywhere from a 20 to 30% decrease in mining rewards. But what that does is that makes Ethereum more scarce. That made a lot of people bullish on Ethereum. And although miners aren't too happy with it, I'm a miner, so I'm indifferent about it. I think it's needed. We need this. We need some kind of improvement on the blockchain right now. It's way too expensive. It's way too expensive to send Ethereum. So in July, that's going to be released. That was really bullish news. You can see back over here. Let's go to a weekly on Ethereum, and you can see we had our all-time high back here in 2017. We broke that 2017 all-time high. We came back for the retest, and we're getting the resumption right now. That's incredibly bullish. Not to mention, if we go over to the Ethereum Bitcoin pair, you can see that on that. Can you guys see that? Yeah. You can see on there where we had our resistance, support, resistance, supports, and we got the breakout. We got the breakout of this triangle. We're getting the throwback right now, and we're having the resumption off. Guys, this is massively bullish. This has a breakout target of 18% of a Bitcoin. One Ethereum will equal 18% of a Bitcoin. That is the target that I'm looking for. If Bitcoin goes to $100,000, I'm sorry, when it goes to $100,000, ETH could probably hit $18,000. Very, very realistic targets. That's what I'm looking for. That's definitely what I'm looking for. Let's say hello, Harmless. How you doing? Love your content, Crypto Grenade. Thank you for all your hard work and amazing updates. You're welcome, dude. Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thanks for supporting the channel, guys. I really appreciate everyone being here right now. Oh, you know what? I want to show you real quick. Let me see. I have a store that I opened up. You guys can go get these shirts if you like them. If you like the design, if you like the Crypto Grenade logo, there's shirts, t-shirts, hoodies, coffee cups, stickers, masks. There's even, let's see, I have, oh yeah, that's right, phone cases, iPhone, any brand or any model of the iPhone or Android. I just ordered a bunch of stuff for myself that I'm going to be putting in to the background, but go check it out. Link is down below on that if you guys would like to check it out. What do we got going on? We need to take a look at what's happening within GRT. We'll do our normal update of GRT. So we're skidding along that support right now, and we've been skidding along it, and we've been holding it as support. Holding this support right here, it's been very crucial. We've been looking to get above the $1.87 level, and it looks like we're right there. We need to flip that into support. We need to get above that 382, turn it into supports, and we're going to be having the resumption off. So far, so good, looking good. What's happening on our indicators over here? See, we're in an indecision. Every time we're in a pattern like this, you see like some kind of triangle pattern with a resistance. You have a demand line and you have your supply line. You're going to be seeing this indecision within the indicator. See how we're just kind of moving sideways, not really doing much on the MACD. That's okay. That is okay. I'm expecting a pop up, and if we don't hold this support over here, guys, we're going to be dropping down below. We're going to be coming down to $1.64. If we break $1.64, we're going to fall really hard to $1.25. I don't think that's going to happen given the MACD on the daily over here. The MACD on the daily is finishing up the red on the histogram, just like Bitcoin. Just like Bitcoin. Finishing up the red. We're in the light red over here. We're going to be getting our cross here probably this week. Sometime this week, I'm going to be looking for that cross. And when that cross happens, I believe we are going to be getting away from that support line, from that demand line. There's a lot of demand for GRT at these levels, and I think we can start moving up. Looking good. Everything's looking good right now. I love it. K-Pill, hello. Excuse me, guys. My allergies, it's starting to get warm outside. It was like 60 something degrees today, and it's been super cold. So my allergies are really bothering me. K-Pill, with the spam, bro. With the spam, what's going on with that? We got 22 Kings. Hello. Hey, thank you for the videos and your hard work. Thanks, dude. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Have you guys seen the... What are we gonna... Oh, the Bitcoin dominance. Let's go look at Bitcoin dominance right now. And I just want to show you the support level that we're at right now on Bitcoin dominance. Let's take it to a weekly charts. So when altcoins started rallying and they started going much higher, that's because Bitcoin dominance was falling. It was falling up here. We took a bit of a break and we're coming down to the support line, and you can see we're hugging that support line exactly right there. You can see that it was support right there. Resistance, resistance, resistance back here. Support, not quite a touch, but still held up as support. Resistance, resistance, resistance. This is a very crucial area. If Bitcoin dominance drops below this 61, what is that? 60. Oh, it's the 60.94. You're probably going to start seeing the altcoins rally again. That's really hard to say. It's really hard to say exactly if Bitcoin is going to be holding this support line over here. I'm indifferent. It doesn't matter to me. Just because the dominance goes down doesn't mean Bitcoin goes down. That just means money is flowing out elsewhere. I'm okay with that. I'm really okay with that. I want to go to a daily and I want to check out the indicators on this. Where's my MACD? No MACD? It's okay. So yeah, look, we're having a cross. See, that's where I think altcoins could be coming back for a nice rebound here. I think they've consolidated for quite some time. You can see we're getting the cross right here, a little bit of a bearish cross. We're starting to print red on our histogram over here. If it becomes lower and we break that support down, altcoins are going to rally. Absolutely. Altcoins will probably rally for sure. Lazik, hello. How you doing? We're gonna... Hey, RP and Co. Thanks for the 10, man. NMR, weekly update. You got it, man. You got it. We're definitely going to be taking a look at that NMR. Do we have a spammer in the chat? Do I have to put you in timeout? I don't want to. Yeah, definitely, dude. We're going to be adding that to the list. Take a look at NMR. NMR, one of the slower movers, but definitely moves. Let me see. Check. I can. Okay. Gotcha. Okay. Let's go take a look at NMR. Thank you for that contribution, by the way. RP code. If you guys want to see TAs, if you want to see a live TA, it's a minimum $10 contribution. You guys don't have to pay. You can just sit here and you can watch while other people make the contributions, and everybody will get to see it. Everybody will get to see the contributions. So let's go to NMR. What's going on with NMR right now? I had two charts on here. I had the longer term and the shorter term. Let's see what's going on. Okay, that's really nice. So you can see on NMR, all of this was resistance back here. All of this was resistance. And when we flipped it, it took a while. It took a long while. September 20th, September 4th, 2020. All of this resistance. We got above it and we turned it into support. But look where we came up. The 618 over at the $50 area. That's huge. That's massive. That we're knocking on the doors, and it's kind of like it's kind of like an avalanche. When you start knocking on all that snow, that's a pretty crappy analogy, but eventually it's going to go. Right now you are holding above the $40 area. That's really good. We were below it for a while, and it looks like, yeah, we were barely hanging on right here. And then NMR decided I need to get above and turn this into support. Looks like it's being turned into support. And Our next target that we're going to be looking for is $45,000. Where are we going right now? That's really what I want to know. I haven't looked at NMR in a while. Look at that. This is on a daily. Okay, wow. Look at this hidden bullish divergence. All these coins showing the same thing. Negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. That's incredibly bullish. You're about to get your cross. You're about to get your cross on the 12 and 26 day moving average oscillators. And you're actually building momentum. You can see that you had the red and then it came down for another little dip and you're coming back up. So your negative momentum is building up and moving to the upside. Is that some kind of pattern? It's really hard to say. You probably can see some kind of pattern over there. Let's go to a 4 hour and see if we could draw out some kind of pattern that's happening over here. Maybe, possibly. Could you take this? We'll take a trend line. Yeah, you could do that as well. Getting the wicks down below, that's okay. And that could be a form of resistance. Possibly. Maybe. It's kind of ugly. It's not too pretty. I don't really like it that much. But that's what you do in TA. That's the whole point, is to kind of see exactly where you're going to be going. I mean, that's an area of resistance. You could possibly even drop that trend line down. Probably somewhere over here. Maybe take it from that one. That looks a little bit better. Looking a little bit better. We still have 45 minutes until this 4 hour candle is going to close. But nevertheless, you do have a resistance and a support line happening over here. It's getting coiled up. It's coiling up really nice. You could get the breakout. And then if you get the breakout, you're definitely going to be breaking that $45 area. And then once again, we need to come up to the 618. The 618 over here is going to be, but I want to show you something with NMR. Not to discourage you, but I just want to show you that the movement in it is not as much. And we're going to show this on another chart. The movement on NMR, you have to be patient. This isn't a coin that's going to be moving a whole lot. You can see how it really likes to stay within a certain price range. Over here, certain little tiny price range. And you can see right here, or kind of just moving up right here. But when it moves, it really moves. And we see that with that wick right there. Or that's a body. This body over here, this body over here. And this is a massive formation. This is just bullish for me all in all. You have this double bottom coming around over here. You have the retest of the support right there. Came back for the support. And now you're just moving within this price range. When NMR wants to move, when it's ready to move, it's going to move. It's going to go high. I really do think we can hit $100 here pretty soon. That'll be taking out this previous high back here. Let's go to a 4 hour. Actually, we'll go back to the other chart. That one has more data. This one has a little bit more of a shorter time frame over here. That's just where my charts are right now. Still valid. Still very valid. AMZ, hello. How are you doing? You got your message retracted? Oh, man. People saying stuff? Anyways. So currently in NMR, like I said, I want to go to the 4 hour. Oh, wait, I already have. So yeah, look, you're getting your cross. You got your cross. It's been moving to the upside. And now, yeah, hidden bullish divergence right there. You have your histogram pulling out, but look what happens on the green. It faked you out there. It looked like it was going to be going to the downside. And then you started having these pumps up right there. And then boom, it almost crossed. It almost crossed, but it didn't. Back out all that. So be patient. This is not a coin that's going to be having a lot of movement, a lot of volume. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you. I wanted to show you the moves over on NMR. Okay, good coin, but it doesn't move as much as other coins. It doesn't. It's primed. But if we take a measured move from, let's see, the liquidity crisis, where that was back here, yeah, in March, from the bottom to the top over here, that hit 1,800%. Comparatively speaking to other coins, that's not that much. I mean, if you go take a look at something like D&T, where's D&T? If you look at D&T from the bottom. This is District Coin. Where's that liquidity crisis? Back here. Look at this right here. Here's the liquidity crisis. You pumped all the way up, and that's up 20,000%. You see what I'm saying? NMR is going to move, and it's a good coin to be in. It's less risky. That's why I like it. It's not as risky, because when this thing falls, when District falls, it falls, and when it goes up, it really goes up. Really goes up. Look at this top right here, and you fell 54%. That's crazy. That's pretty crazy. Imagine waking, like, let's say you bought at the top right there, and then you wake up the next morning and half your portfolio is gone. That's no good. Even this drop over here, that was a massive drop. This guy down over here, 64%. So it's less risky over at NMR. You're going to get the moves, but it's not going to be as much as all these other coins. Dang, my eyes are so dry. It's so bad right now. I feel like I have like glue in my eyes. But what's up, Craig? How you doing? Still hodling NMR with you during this bull run. NMR could easily hit $3 billion in market cap. What is the market cap on NMR? I think it was like 200 million. No. Yeah, $200 million market cap. So you think it's going to have a $3 billion market cap? That's insane, dude. If that happens, the price of NMR would probably be like $10 at that point. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure where that is. So NMR still looking good. Still looking good on NMR. No complaints. None whatsoever. Get that breakout. Get that breakout. Let's go test $50. That's still a good move. Those are good moves. Up to $50 from where we are right now. You're looking at about 22%. That could definitely happen, but it's not going to stop there. It's not going to stop there. Once you come back, you test $50 for the support, and you come up and you try to hit that 786. 786 right there. $58 is the target that we need to get through. That is the golden number. $58. You break $58, and you're going so much higher. You're going so much higher. Your high over here was 68. You're definitely going to be doubling after that. So you can take a 100% measure move on NMR from the top over there, and look where that puts us, right over here by the 2618, $143. I can definitely see that happen. I really do see that happening. Be patient. Be patient with NMR. It's one of the less risky coins that's out there. It's got a very low market cap. Get any news on NMR, on Numeraire, and you're gonna pump. You're gonna pump just like the pumps we saw in the past. Those huge pumps like that, they'll happen quick. When NMR likes to move, it likes to move. So, doing pretty good. Not doing too bad right now. I like it. Tornado. Hey, you're new. Good to see you in here, man. East shooting for daily close. Yeah, we have about 35 minutes until the daily closes. The daily candle closes. What else we got in here? Res 90, Bitcoin about to go crazy. I think so too. I really do think Bitcoin is about to go crazy. Just with that daily MACD, like how could you not be bullish on this? A lot of people talking about, oh, I think we're going to go down and we're going to go hit 40K or even possibly lower. They were talking about trying to come over here and hit this previous high back here. I mean, it's possible. They're not wrong. That could happen. Definitely. Do I think that's going to happen right now? No, I really don't. We might hit some kind of resistance over here. And let me just take away this fib. Take away this fib. But look at the momentum. Okay, we went up. We had a correction. We went down. It wasn't as big of a correction over here. This was a 26% drop. That's decent. Okay, that's pretty average. We know in the previous bull cycle that we had these average drops of about 30%. They could go upwards of 40%, but I don't see that happening this bull run. Hey, what's going on, man? Hey, thanks for the 10. Is that Imperium? Hello. Thank you for the 10. E&J, engine, please. It's Lando, by the way. Hey, what's up, Lando? How you doing, dude? You got it, dude. We're gonna take a look at ENJ. Engine's doing really good, dude. It's going on a tear, and my eyeballs feel like they're gonna pop out of my eyes or out of my head because they're so dry. I'm bullish. I'm bullish. What I mean, short term, long term for Bitcoin right now. Short term, dude, we're about to get that cross on 26 or the 12 and 26 day moving average. Hidden bullish divergence on the MACD, like. And we're not even overbought. You're not even overbought, not even a little bit. Dude, you're sitting at the 59 on the RSI. So much room to the upside. That's going to be an area of resistance, though, for us. You can see from this peak down to this peak over here, that will be an area of resistance. So when we pump, we're probably going to be coming up and hitting the 77, possibly 75-ish area. What's today? The 8th? Oh, yeah. We got 10 days until that could happen. That really could happen. I'm looking for big moves. This next move up for Bitcoin, guys, is going to be massive. I'm not just hyping you up. That's real talk. This move right here at this top was from this peak over to this peak was about almost 40%. Almost 40%. So if we were to do that again and we go up another 40% from peak to peak, you're looking at $82,000 Bitcoin. That's really the target that I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. I think the next move is going to be legendary. We're entering a super cycle. It is going to be insane, and alts are going to follow. They may not pump, initially. Oh wow, look at ETH going. It just broke 1,800. That's what's up. Looking really good. Ethereum. I'm so bullish on Ethereum. It's not even funny. Amazing coin. How you guys doing today? It was a little quiet this morning in crypto, but things are picking up. Things are picking up, and like I said, I think this is going to be a really exciting week for crypto. Absolutely. We got James. Hello, James. How are you? Amp token to Mars. He wants to go to. He didn't even go to the moon. Screw the moon. We're going past the moon. We're going to blow right through the middle of the moon and go straight to Mars. He's going to meet Elon Musk over there. I love it, dude. I love the hype on it. Keaton. Hey, dude, we're all waiting for new Cypher chart. Hey, man, if you want to see new Cypher, we can totally do new Cypher. Read the description. I got you, dude. I got you. Let's look at Engine. God dang, dude, this thing is insane. Oh my God, it's parabolic right now. It's parabolic. Look at this fib that I have going back all the way over here. What was that? The peak over here was 50 cents. 50 cents at that peak. Was that a 3 rising valleys? No, maybe. I don't think so, though. You had a low, a higher low, and another low over here. And when it broke the neckline, that's when it took off. Maybe you might be able to say that. That's still bullish. You had this, this was in March. So that was kind of a hiccup within all markets. Nobody was expecting that. That was the liquidity crisis. That's when COVID happened and everything just dropped down. Everything dropped down. But yeah, Engine looking. We could probably do a new fib. This is going to be getting a lot harder to target. You broke the 2618. You broke the 2618, which is $1.26. You break that $1.26 area. Oh, gotcha. You break that $1.26 area, and now you're going up to $2.22. 222. That's the next target. But that's on a weekly. So let's go down and let's see exactly where we were working with over here. Let's see if we can make another fib. This one was already being respected like crazy. Being respected massively. So when you broke through that 618 and 786, look at all of this consolidation that it did within this area. And when we broke above it, man, you came up and you hit the golden mean ratio really nicely. Twice, actually. And you got rejected. But that's okay. You got thrown back down to the 786. That's the confirmation that you wanted. Once you get above the 786, you want to get that confirmation. You come back down, and look, you came back up and you tried breaking through that golden mean ratio again and again. And it was like, it just didn't want to do it. My bad. So once you broke that golden mean ratio, guys, this was only a week ago. This was massively bullish. We knew that was a huge area of resistance. When you broke through, You came up and you went up to the 2618, $1.26. You took that out. You took that out really nicely. And where did you catch support? Oh, we almost came down to $1. It didn't want to. I drew this line a while ago. I was saying that this would be an area of resistance / support, and you didn't come down. That's okay. You were only 8 cents off. So maybe that's going to be the next new level of support. Since $1 was taken out, it was psychological resistance. You got the bounce off of that right now. And are you in a channel? You are in a channel. You're in a little baby channel. He's so cute. Yeah, dude, you're looking, the next target's $2.22. But I'm willing to bet this thing is overbought like crazy. And you might be taking a downturn here pretty soon. It's a pretty big gap between the 12 and 26 day moving average. Pretty big gap. You probably can go up and hit $2.22 before having a pullback. You never tested $1.26 as support. So don't be surprised if you come up and look, you're overbought. You're overbought and you're showing a little bit of your strength is weakening on the RSI. You see how we're having downward action as price action's moving up. That's slightly bearish. Slightly bearish. You still have room, but we know we need to have a pullback. And I think we could still go up and hit $2.22 before we have a pullback and we come down back to $1.26. That's a pretty big drop. That's a pretty big drop. But I mean, there's really nothing to worry about that. Well, that's a 42% drop. That could happen, dude. That really could happen. Wow, yeah, look at this. You had your hidden bullish divergence. This already played out. Hidden bullish divergence. Price action moving to the upside. And look at that bottom. That bottom over here was at $1.11. Just based off that, seeing that hidden bullish divergence, that would probably be the buy area when you start to peak out on that MACD. You peaked out on the MACD right there. You got your cross a couple of days later, if something like that, and then it played out. That's textbook. That's beautiful. And then you came up and you went all the way up 71%. We knew that was going to happen. We knew that was going to happen. That's the charts are telling us right there. Same thing on Bitcoin, guys. Same thing on Bitcoin. This is a shorter time frame, but nevertheless, these fundamentals, and it's going to have more weight. It's going to have way more weight to it because it's a daily. So here's a hidden bullish divergence on Engine. Price action or negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving up. We're on Bitcoin. We're like right there. We're like right here on the oscillators. So that next pump up is going to be really massive. So Engine, it's overbought. You could still run it hot. You know that you like to come up here to 85 on the RSI. Oh my God, look how beautiful that is. You guys see this? Yeah. RSI hits the 85 every single time. It becomes overbought. Kind of close right there. Definitely got that hit right there. So you can still come up and try to hit that 85 before becoming overbought. That's going to be that $2.22 area. That's what I'm going to be looking for. I really think that's going to be playing out. You still got some room. Big gap between the oscillators right there. You're flattening out though. You're flattening out. Where's that price channel? Nevertheless, it doesn't matter. Yeah, you are in some kind of price channel. Oh, you were consolidating. A little bit. Okay, look at this little tiny baby thing. Look at this little tiny baby thing. You made a triangle, and then it's so small. I don't even know why I'm showing you guys this, but look, you broke out. You got the retest. Hey, what's up, Alex? How you doing, dude? Thank you for the 590 or 549 in euros. Really appreciate that, dude. You want to check out Orchid? Yeah, man, I think we can do that. I think we can do that. So you got the retest and then you resume back out and it looks like you're having a little bit of a pullback right now. Looking good though. I still think we can go to 222. Definitely think we can go to 222. Oh, dude, hell yeah, dude. Bitcoin just broke. Oh, let's go. 52. Bitcoin broke 52. Let's get above it. That was our resistance that we needed to take it out. That was the 886. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. What do we got? 25 more minutes until the daily closes. Let's go. Let's go. We know we're moving to the upside. Look, it's breaking through the 886 right now. Break through the 886 and we're going to be coming over here at $52,600. But at that time, you're going to the 7 or the 618. Okay. A lot of Fibonacci's going on over here. I have short-term targets and I have long-term targets that I'm looking for. Come on, that's not pretty. Right there. Look at that. You're approaching the 618 right now, guys. Hidden bullish divergence on the daily. We're going to do it. We're definitely going to do it. Okay. Hey, Alex, it is a minimum of $10 contribution for us to take a look at Orchid. You get the other portion in there, brother, and we could definitely take a look at Orchid for sure. Wow, Ethereum's up 5.5%. Dude, this thing's running. We know this. We knew this was going to be happening. We have the inverse head and shoulders on Ethereum. Okay, inverse head and shoulders. Boom, 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 boom. Right there, looking really good. We had a breakout target. That's what this purple line is over here, and the breakout target's going to be going to the previous all-time highs. $2,026. That's where we're going to be going. That's the next move. It's looking really good. Really looking good. What's up, Kanke? Hello. How you doing? Kanke's acting like a moderator in here. You want to be a moderator, bro? Make you a moderator for the night. Hey, Ricardo. Hello. How you doing? What's Coity? Coity? Is that a coin? We can take a look at that for sure. You guys like my lights, dude? I got the lights yesterday, dude. I was so stoked. I just lined the inside of the this is not even like crypto related, but my book's right there. All the lights, I just lined the inside of the shelf. So we got like that purple. What's the back? That pink and that purple. It looks like a strip club in here. I just need a pole. I need a pole in here and get some girls over. That's never gonna happen. Wow, yeah, everything's on the move right now. GRT going up, trying to break $1.90. We have new Cypher trying to break 70 cents right now. All these coins are at crucial points. They're at crucial points right now. What's up, Sam? Sam45. Lights are very sick. That's what's up, dude. Thank you. I appreciate it. I have lights in here as well. But it's still daytime outside, and they only look cool if if it's nighttime. So I got some lights in there. I bought like a nice little Bitcoin pillow. That's going to be going in there. All the stuff that I have in my shop, definitely going on there. So let me know if I can improve on anything. Let me know what you guys want to see in the background. If you want dancing girls in the back, I can hire them for 2 hours, definitely. But I mean, minimum contributions are going to be going up to like $50 at that point, because that's expensive. That's really expensive. I'm just joking. That's probably never going to happen. That's probably never going to happen. Tracy, what's up? How you doing? GRT gonna blow. Yeah, dude. I tweeted this morning. I'm not even worried about GRT. GRT is just doing its thing. We're gonna be seeing $5 here really soon. Or my first target's $4. But once you break $4, you're going to $5. No problem. What the heck, Chainlink? 10%? Get out of here. Dude, looking really good. A lot of these coins, this is what I was talking about before last weekend or a few days ago, Friday. I was looking at the charts and I was like, everything's looking really primed for Monday. Monday's going to be a really nice day. We're in the green, looking really good. And add this for Alex on OXT. Vintage Toys, you're nice, dude. You're super nice. Okay. Yeah, definitely. That'll work. That'll definitely work. What a guy. What a guy. What else? What's pumped today? H-bar up 16%. Nano. Really? Nano's up 10%. Holy crap. Nano is running right now. OGN. OGN. Running up. V-Chain. Look at V-Chain right now. It's up 15%. Oh my god. That's insane. That's insane. What's up, Josh? How you doing? Thanks for the 10, bro. We take a look at Algo? You got it, man. Algo and Orchid run together. So whenever Algo pumps, Orchid pumps as well. So those are really good pairs to look at. Really good pairs to look at. I need to get Alex. Okay. You got that, Alex? Appreciate you, homie. What do we got? What do we got right now? We need to take a look at, we looked at Engine, so we need to take a look at Orchid. Oh, dude, yes. Dude, Orchid broke that 50-cent area. What's going on, Keaton? Thanks for the 15, brother. I really appreciate that. You want to look at Bitcoin chart? Okay. We can do that. Thank you. Thank you for the contribution. Really appreciate that. You got above 50 cents. It's so beautiful. And we were hanging out at this level. We're in a 1 hour. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? What the heck? Where did all these lines come from? There's like, oh, there's 2 Fibonacci's open right now. What is going on? That's crazy. Okay. You hit the support, and now you're starting to get away from the support. Looking really good. You can see that we had this support back here. Support. Oh, Alex, yeah, you know what? Your buddy over here was actually really nice. Vintage Toys came over, gave you the extra 5 for it. I appreciate it. Thank you for the adding the extra there for OXT. Definitely going to be looking at that one. But look, you hit this support. And you, dude, you're getting above it right now. Is that an ascending? Yes, it is. That is an ascending triangle. Holy crap. Is the breakout about to happen? Let me get rid of this. Let me get rid of that right there. And we're going to take a look at this trend line. Oh my gosh. Guys, look at that. You see this ascending triangle? I hadn't looked at Orchid in a while. Hey, Vanchen, thank you for the 10. Really appreciate that. You want to take a look at a coin? Oh, you want to look at New Cipher. Gotcha. Alex, can you write that down? Thank you. So you're in this ascending triangle. You're in this ascending triangle right now. And you're coiling up. You're coiling up. You're almost at the apex. Almost at the apex, bro. This is really bullish. You're hanging out towards the resistance line. That's going to be the supply line. And once you get this breakout, you can do a target breakout move right here. This is real right here. Once you break this formation, you're going to be coming up. Let's say it doesn't really matter where you get the breakout, but you could put, yeah, about right there. You're going to be coming up and hitting 63 cents. 63 cents. That's going to be actually a really important level that you're going to be hitting, because you can see that this was resistance and support back here in the past. That's going to be putting you within that zone. Where does that put us on our Fibonacci? Where does that put us on the Fibonacci? We take a swing high down to the swing low over here, and you're really close. Let's just go ahead and call it 64. You can actually just pull that right there. So breakout target's going to the 618. Break that 618 right here, 64 cents. Break 64 cents, get in to this level. This is the zone right here. Once you break 64 cents, you're going to be coming up and hitting 70 cents. 70 cents is a massive resistance for Orchid. But once you break 70 cents, you're going to be hitting $1.50. No, more. After that, turn that into support. So here's the gameplay, okay? You come back, you test it for support. This is going to be resistance, okay? You break into this area, you test 64 cents as support. You break through 70 cents. You need to confirm that. Confirm 70 cents as a support. When you're doing that, guys, this is so bullish. Buckle up, because the rocket's about to take off. The rocket is going to take off, not to mention, what we got, Edward Snowden. There's a group of people that are going to be having a conference, I believe, on the 22nd of March. I think it's the 22nd. That conference is probably going to be good news. It could be bad news too. And it's still, well, I probably won't drive the price up if it's bad news, but I can imagine that they're going to be holding this conference and they're going to be bringing out bad news. I don't see that happening. That conference is going to be really big for Orchid. Really big for Orchid. Is that right? They're going to be talking about Orchid, right? Where's that New Cipher? No, Orchid. Right? I forgot. So when you break 78 cents, you're going to have a measured move of 100% from there. 100% measured move. You're looking at about, put that over the 2618. Hey, what's up, Oliver? Hey, thank you for the 10, brother. Thank you for the 10. I really appreciate that. Can you check out Sync? Check Sync out. Yeah, absolutely. We'll add it to the list. Lewis, hello. Thank you for the 10, bro. Really appreciate that. Lewis, you want to take a look at D&T? I got you, bro. I got you. So, 100% measured move. I have to scroll down because it just was not enough. Ooh, that's over the 2618. That's going to be $1.57. Yeah, about that 150. Guys, this is very real. This is very real. You're obviously going to be having resistance at the $1. We know that. $1 resistance. That is about, oh, that's the 1618. That's going to be a huge area of resistance, but it doesn't matter because you broke all-time highs over here. Expect to double, especially on these new coins. Expect to double. $1.57 is looking where I'm going to. Let's say all of that was bullcrap and we're going to be doing a breakdown to the downside. I don't think that's going to happen. Let's go look at indicators first before we talk about downside. That way I understand where we are within the charts. That's money flow. What you doing over here, bro? Get out of here. I don't want to see no money flow. These aren't stocks. Yeah, you had your cross down over here. You had your negative momentum moving to the downside. Now you're starting to move up. That's really good. You're not overbought at all on the RSI. Anything over the 70 is going to be overbought. That one came in really quickly. What's up? One Combo Fishing. Please do a TA on ICX Icon. Yes, thank you. Thank you for the 10, bro. I really appreciate that. So you're not overbought. You're looking really good. MACD looking good. Nothing bearish. You're moving up. Let's go to a longer time frame. Oh, yeah, dude. All of these coins are doing the same thing. All of these coins are doing about the same thing. Some of them look like crap. Not gonna lie. Some of them look. Oh my gosh! Look at this tiny island on Orchid. I haven't looked at Orchid in a minute. I hold Orchid, and I don't go look at the charts on them because I just know where they're going to be going. So you have this little baby tiny island over here. Baby island. RLM, hello. Hey, thank you for the 15, bro. Really appreciate it. Definitely. We'll take a look at VeChain. Thank you. Appreciate it. So this island over here, very small island, and then you have this massive red histogram that's moving up. You're about to get your cross. It is so close. Orchid is ready to explode, and that's massively bullish because look at the ascending triangle that you're in right now. We know when you break the ascending triangle, we're going to be going up to 63 cents. You're at 51 cents right now. Those are gains. Those are gains all day. Where's that going to take us? That's going to take us about 23, 24% up. Guys, this is going to play out, but it's not going to stop there. No, sir. That's just the beginning. MACD is looking so good, dude. Just like I said, negative momentum moving to the downside. Price action moving up, massively bullish. Massively bullish. I'm not looking for a breakdown. I'm not even going to talk about breakdown targets because of how the charts look right now. I've seen this over and over and over. I'm fairly confident of where we're going to go. Okay, let's talk about downside just in case, because I could be coming over here looking like a total jerk. You need to hold, what does that say? 50 cents. You just got above 50 cents. You ran into your support over here, and you need to go up. You need to go up. If you weaken, that's not good. You're going to be coming back down to 42 cents, and if you break 42 cents, you're done. You're done. You got to get out because there's a lot of downside. That's going to be happening. You need to close candles. If you wick down below, that's going to be telling a story, which is not good. But as soon as you close a body, those are the facts. Those are the facts, and you're going to be dropping down really hard. You don't want to see that. You don't want to see that. But that's not going to happen. Come on, guys. Look at this. This is so bullish. Massively bullish, okay? That's it. Are you happy? Are you happy with that? I am. I'm very happy with it. Oh my God, look at Ethereum right now. Oh, buddy. You feel those tendies? You feel those tendies? It like starts right here. You start feeling it in your heart, bro. And then you get all warm and you're like, oh my God, I'm making money. It feels so good. That's the goal, really. That's why we're all here. It's because we want to make money. It's playing out. Our TAs are playing out. Doing really good. Okay, what do we got? We were taking a look at, we took a look at Engine. We just looked at Orchid, Algo. Yep. What's up, Josh? We're going to be taking a look at Algo for you right now, homie. Algo, $1.15. Ooh, you're playing within that channel really nicely, but you're gaining momentum and you're moving to the upside, which is really good. You're having shift of momentum currently on the daily. Shift of momentum like that, looking good. It looks like you did break out of some triangle. I'm sorry, not a triangle. You broke out of, ooh, that's resistance for you, for sure. I don't like the trend line on the daily. It's not going to be as clean. Let's get this pinpoint accurate, huh? Pinpoint accuracy. Look how you're being held down by that trend line right now. That's going to be a line that you're going to need to get above. And coincidentally, that's coinciding with the, I'm sorry, this is an old chart. We need to go from the swing high to the swing low. Boo, down here. Even better. Wow, look at that support being held up really nicely at that $1. You broke through $1 and it was really nice. Wow, you went all the way up to 170, 186, $1.86. You had the correction. Totally normal. Totally normal. If you go take a look at the MACD on the 4-hour, you knew that you were overbought. You knew where you were overbought. Well, you would need to pull up the RSI along with it. But you knew you were overbought. Right here. Overbought. You were overbought like crazy. You're sitting at the 85 on the RSI, and your oscillators were way up here looking for a downturn. You got the cross, and you saw it coming. You guys knew that was going to happen. There's no way you didn't know that was going to happen. You hit your top. You needed to consolidate. You consolidated really nicely. You even came down here, and it's so freaking pretty, dude. You went below the 30 on the RSI. That's the buy zone. That is where you buy, and you can see down here, when you hit the 30, that was your bottom. That was your bottom. The charts are just, they're beautiful. This is a very beautiful chart. It tells you exactly where you are, what you need to do, where you're buying, where you're selling. Hands down. Hands down. You hit your bottom and you started going back up. You're moving up right now. But like I said, with your resistance, you have a little bit of a small time frame of resistance right now. Okay? Support, 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 support. It broke down. Resistance, resistance, resistance. And you're trying to break above it right now. You're doing a good job. You're showing it, but you need to get above this trend line. That trend line, and you need to break this resistance as well. Those two are coinciding. That won't be so easy, but I think Algo has the momentum to do that. And the reason why I say that is because if we go over to the daily, oh my God, guys, these are the times. These are the times right here. It's so, look at your histogram. Your histogram is finishing up. You're about to have your cross. This week is going to be insane for crypto. I'm so pumped for this week for crypto. It is not even funny. You're about to get your cross. 12 and 26 day moving average right there. Going to be taking your cross. You're not even overbought. Not even overbought. 54 on the RSI. You're sitting smack dab in the middle. You know that you can run this thing hot. You love to run this thing hot. And that's the level right there. Okay. When you come up and you hit 86 on the RSI, notice how you get the pullbacks. Notice how you get the pullbacks. We're going to pull this down so you can see that. Exactly, okay? So there's that top right there, overbought. You hit that line and it took a dump. Boom, straight down, okay? That one was because of the liquidity crisis, and that was an ugly head and shoulders pattern that played out over there. And it looked like it hit its target. Ugly, ugly. But look, same thing over here. You come up, you hit the 85, hit the 85, correction. Come up, you hit the 85. That's your 85 on the RSI, correction, down. It's beautiful. I love this chart because you know exactly where you're going to be going, and you can trade it. You could swing trade it like crazy. This is a beautiful swing trading kind of coin. Looking really good. You're really bullish right now, man. You're super bullish. I know a lot of people probably got freaked out by this drop. How big was that drop? From here, down there, 54%. Oh, that would suck. That would suck. You imagine buying in at the top and then it drops and then you sold and then it pumps back up and then, yeah, no good. Looking really good though. You need to break through that resistance. Break through that resistance. You need to come up and hit $1.23. Break $1.23. Turn that into support. You can see that that has been resistance back here. Support, 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 support. You broke down below. Resistance, 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 resistance. Get above that area, dude, and you're going to be looking really good. I really do think once you break through $1.23, $1.35 is next. And ultimately, you need to be coming up to $1.47. That's going to be the area that you need to break through. $1.47. Get into this zone. You guys know this. If you watch my channel, you know this. If you're enjoying this content, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're learning something right now. Break through the 618 to 786. That's your zone. That's your zone. Once you break through $1.64, and it's not if, bro, it's when. You saw that MACD on the daily. Okay? You're going to be pumping here pretty soon. You're going to be pumping here pretty soon. It may not just go straight up, okay? You're going to have these daily candles. Might be doing something like this. Who knows? But eventually, you'll get up to those levels. This month is the month for crypto. I keep saying it over and over. This is the month. that we're going to be seeing some massive gains. Massive gains. Okay. Okay. Last thing. Once you break $1.64, that's it. That's it. $1.64 is your area. You test that as support and you're gone. You're gone, dude. You're going to be doubling after that easily. You're probably going to be coming up here to the 2618. 2618. $3.52 on algo. It's not if, it's when. Not if, it's when. It's looking really good. Really strong. Really strong right now. Having a great recovery. And you can see that momentum is shifting. Okay. I love the charts, and that's why I just rant about the coins over and over and over. So we got to move on to the next coin. I hope that helps you. I really hope it helps you. Okay. We have a lot of requests to get through, guys. Got a lot of coins that we got to take a look at. We're going to be taking a look at Bytecoin. Bytecoin. Is that like Bitcoin's ugly cousin? I'm just joking, dude. I'm not going to dog on your coin. Bytecoin. Is that how you spell it? Yeah. Bytecoin. Okay, not a lot of exchanges that I can work with. We got Tether, USD. Let's take a look at that one. Let's take a look at this one. The one calculated by TradingView. And that is all I have on here. I've never, BCN, never, I mean, I've probably heard of it, but I've never charted it before. Oh, is this a release date? May 2020? No. Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Where is it? What's going on? Where's my, I wanted to do, did I get rid of it? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. It's right here. Where's my, where is it? I wanted.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
All that work just to find that. All that work. Dude, this looks really good. Oh. Oh my God, dude. Where did you find this? Holy crap, bro. No way. Wow. This is impressive. This is really impressive. Okay. You're having a double bottom. You have this massive shift of momentum. You had a resistance that you were trying to break through for the longest time. For the longest time. Okay, this is going to get messy. Right there. Whoa, dude. Wow. That's insane. Is that a bullish dragon? Dude, that's a bullish dragon. Holy crap. There's so much opportunity with this coin. It is not even funny. Is this the right coin? Are we looking at the right one? Who requested this? I just want to make sure. Keaton, is this the right one, dude? Because if it's not, we just found gold. We just found gold on Bytecoin. What the heck? Okay, let me show you what I'm looking at here. You have this area of resistance. Huge area of resistance. This was back, and this is a pretty old chart, guys. I mean, we're talking back to 2014. 2014. That's insane. Okay, let me show you what I'm looking at. Resistance, resistance, resistance. You got above the resistance. You broke out, and you're doing some kind of formation. You're making some kind of formation pattern right now. You have definite areas of resistance over here. That's going to be, this is to the US dollar. Wow, that is, I can't even, 0.0005. 1 penny. That's like, I can't even do, I don't know what quantity that is. 1/100th of a penny, 1,000th, half of 1,000th of a penny. That's the 1,000th, right? Yeah. 10, yeah. So your area of resistance that you hit over here, and yeah, you got some candle closes above it, but you fell really hard. People sold it really, really bad. So here, let's do this. We know where those lines are. Those are really just for me, just so I can see exactly what's going to be going on. Let's take a swing high down to our swing low. No, I don't like that. The most recent one right here. Right there. Wow. That's so pretty. Okay. You have so much room to the upside. You just broke a major ice line going back to like 2014. Okay. That's huge. That's really bullish. Right now in your Fibonacci, you broke all-time highs. You didn't close, though. You didn't close any candles above it. You wicked above it, and you got rejected at the 1414. You came back for the retest. You came back for the retest over here at the 0.5, the 50%. What the heck? You came back for the retest at the 0.5 right here. You're getting that test right now. What are you doing exactly? How much did you fall? That's what I want to know. I've never seen this coin, so you're going to be getting the full version. 64% to the downside it fell. Insane. Insane. So, an area that you're looking to get above right now, this is really bullish. Really bullish. It's had its consolidation. It came down. It's looking really good, and you're starting to have your shift of momentum. Okay, here's on a daily. We're looking at a daily. Look at your shift. Your shift is starting to happen right here, and you're catching that bottom. You're catching that bottom. It's looking really good. You need to break above the 1618. Okay, that's going to be. I'm all over the place today. Let me grab this Fibonacci, pull it in for you guys. Okay. You need to get above 0.0004 dollars, cents, micro cents, whatever that is. That's going to be the area. You need to get back above that area. If you get rejected, you're going to be coming back down and you're going to be hitting 0.0003. This is really bullish, by the way, that you're starting to have the shift. You corrected 64% of the way down. You hit that support down here at the 382, but you need to get back up. You need to get back above the 618 to 786. When you break above the 0.0005, 3 zeros, 15, then it's going to be looking really good. You have areas of resistance and support in the past that look like crazy, but what are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Look, you're about to have your cross, just like all these coins right now. You're about to have your cross. This is really bullish. You're having shift the momentum, moving to the upside in your price action, looking really good. You're looking to break the 618 on that Fibonacci at 0.0004. 0004. Yeah. And then you're having your cross. You could probably even call that hidden bullish divergence because you have a very, very tiny, it's so small. It's there though. I don't care how small that is, but look at that right there. Hidden bullish divergence. Hidden bullish divergence. Massive. You look at your RSI. RSI is even rounding out. You're catching that momentum. You're ready for a pump, dude. You're ready for the next pump to the upside. Break through 0.0005. That's going to be the 786 right here. 0.005, and you're going to be going up. You're going to be breaking this previous all-time high that came over here at the 0.4 or the 1414, which was 0.0008. And dude, that's a lot of percentages away. When you break that 111%, you got to be kidding me, dude. The market cap, it has to be insane on this thing. Probably really insanely low. Okay. Good. Looking good. Looking really good. When you break, where is it? I put this line earlier before. When you break 0.001, I believe that's 1/100th of a penny. When that happens, dude, look at this thing. This thing ran all the way up to 2 pennies. From down here, you're talking massive gains. When you come up and you try to match that top over there, almost 5,000%. This thing has so much potential right now. It's not even funny. It looks really good. I know a lot of people are looking at this chart and they're going, oh man, this looks terrible. It went down like crazy. It's what you've done right now that changes the tone on what's happening with this coin. Okay. When you break this resistance over here at 0.001, which is 1/100th of a penny, 1/1000th? 1/100th of a penny. I failed math multiple times in high school. You turn that into support, dude. There's really nothing above you. You have a few areas of resistance / support right there, and maybe one right there as well. This is going to be the goal. Break your previous all-time high. You're having your shift of momentum. It's moving to the upside, looking really good. Looking really good right now. Why did this coin drop down like crazy? It never recovered. Look what it did during the liquidity crisis. That's crazy. Look at that. Liquidity crisis, it never recovered after that. You're still below it since 2008 or 2020 in March. But it's what you've done right now that's amazing. This is the opportunity. This is the moon coin right here. Like I said, dude, like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
This has opportunity like crazy. All these other coins, yeah, we have our opportunity. They're going to be moving up, but this one, you're looking for a moonshot, this thing's going to moon. Look, and you know that because look what it's done in the past. Look over here. Down here, up here to up here, 1,000% gain in a day. You pumped 1,000%. This is a moon coin, dude. Moon coin from this base to the top over here, 1,000%. This thing loves the 1,000% gains. From this bottom to up here, 1,700%. Dude, this thing loves to move. This is a moon coin. Definitely a moon coin. Really risky, but where you're at right now, you have a bullish dragon that you formed. You had the breakout. You're coming back and you're testing, and you're gonna go off, bro. That's impressive. Okay, that's all I got for you. That's crazy. That's massively impressive. Where did you find that, dude? I haven't seen a coin like that ever. Well, I can't say ever, but it's been a very long time since I've seen a coin that looked like this. So much potential. Holy crap, dude. That's insane. Okay, that was Bytecoin. Bytecoin. Is it German? Yeah, it's German. We got new cipher next that we're going to be taking a look at. Let's see what the chat's doing. Twisted Pearl, hello. How are you? How long have we been live streaming so far? We've been live streaming for 75 minutes. It goes by so quick. Okay, we have a lot of requests to get to, so I need to make sure that I get through these because we still have 5 coins to go through. And at 10 minutes a piece, that's still another hour about new cipher. So we're going to be blowing through these pretty quickly. New Tang? I love these new coins. I love these. Oh, did you get the breakout? You got the freaking breakout, homie. Let's go. You got the breakout. That's it, dude. We're going up. I tweeted about it this morning. If you guys are on Twitter, go check me out on Twitter. Link is down below. Go follow me. I'll follow you back. 86 cents. That's where we're going. Oh, baby. Look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, my God. Support, resistance. Up here, you're within this formation. Resistance, support. You coiled up, and boom. You had the breakout. You came back for the retest, and you're getting the confirmation right now. New cipher's looking beautiful. We just made a new day. It's 5:07. 7 minutes on the new day. Look at that. Dude, you're going to... That's it. You got the breakout. This is easy. 86 cents. That's where you're going. Where is that going to be putting us on the fib? That's what I want to know. And I want to see what you're doing on your 4 hour. Oh, man. Yeah, that cross happened way back here. Same thing. Hidden bullish divergence back here. No, that was just regular divergence. No hidden bullish divergence. Just a continuation. Bullish continuation to the upside. You have your cross back here. Your oscillators moving up. And your 12 and 26 day moving average just got that much bigger. Just got that much wider. Looking really good, dude. Looking really good. Not even overbought. Not even a little bit. 60 on the RSI. You're looking really bullish right now, dude. You just got that breakout and you're going up and you're going to be hitting the 0.5, the 50% retracement on this Fibonacci retracement. You had your swing high. You had your swing low. Yeah, this is your 50% retracement up there. Get up here. Hit 86 cents. Hit it. That's going to be resistance, okay? You'll hit that resistance. Don't worry. You're probably going to be coming back and testing the 382 as support. That's going to be 80 cents. When you break through 80 cents, that's going to be a psychological resistance. You're sitting at 71 cents right now, okay? This is going to go in increments of 10 psychological resistances. That's just basic psychology for trading. 70 or 80 cents is going to be a psychological resistance, but your target is to 86 cents. So when you break 80 cents, you're going to come back for the retest. You have to get the retest. Test that. Make it support. Play in this area. You're going to be looking really good. Get above 86 cents. And you're going to be coming up to 93 cents. This is the dollar area that everyone's been looking for right here. That's going to be about the 786. That's going to be about the 786. It's not if, it's when. It's not if, it's when that happens. Bounce around in this area, like we always talk about. Break your $1 and you're going to be going up. $2. $2 new cipher. Very soon. Very soon. Probably this month. Probably this month. You go look at your daily, pull up the indicators. Same thing. Guys, I'm telling you, this month is massive for crypto. Finishing up your red on your histogram. Oscillators are coming down, about to have a cross. Get that cross, boom. You're going to be going up to 86 cents. There's really not much to talk about on your cipher, dude. That's it. That's it. Bullish. Easy. Easy coin to do. Looking good. What is everything else doing right now? Not much. KNC pump that much? KNC's pumping right now? 6% on the new day. We're only like 10 minutes into this day. That's cool. Good for you, KNC. Good job. Easy. That's it, dude. That's it for new cipher. That one's easy. Super easy. What are we taking a look at next? We have Sync. Yeah. We got to get moving through these coins. Sync. Really? I only have Wrapped and Ether? Hey, Drew. Welcome back, man. Thanks for coming back to the stream. Says, hey, man, I'm new to crypto. Put money into DJ Career and GME, into Bitcoin, ETH, and Cardano. Thank you, Tommy. Thank you for the 5. Hey, good to see you, Tommy. I haven't seen you in a while. Good to see you. I do hold long-term or sell... Wait, I see things mooning. Do I hold long-term or do I sell for profits? Sorry for noob questions. No, dude. You were totally fine. These are the questions I want to hear. If you have questions about anything like that, ask me. I'm going to answer it for you. I can't tell you exactly what to do. Like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't give out financial advice. I'll tell you what I'm doing. I'm holding long-term. I'm holding Bitcoin and ETH long-term, my guy. Cardano, that's a very promising project. I don't see Cardano going anywhere. I really don't go seeing anywhere. So I hold all 3 of those coins. I'm holding long-term. Plain and simple. If I sell tomorrow or I sell the next day to make some profits, I'm going to be really sad in 6 months. I'm going to be really sad in 6 months. The name of the game in crypto is to hodl. We haven't hit our market cycle top yet for Bitcoin. Everything's still moving. We're still only midway through. A lot of room to the upside, dude. Great question. Great question. I don't see a coin that you requested. That's okay. Tommy says, excuse my ignorance, but if a coin doesn't have USD pair on exchange, is it safe to say we have to convert all coins to Bitcoin to No, it doesn't matter. That's just the unit that you're looking at it. That's the chart. So you can look at any unit, like you can look at Bitcoin to Euro, Bitcoin to Canada, Bitcoin to whatever it is. That doesn't mean that you're not able to cash out. That's just being what it's measured against with. That's what it's being charted with. You can cash out for whatever you want. You know, you can go cash out for another crypto, USD if you want, euros. Just depends. Depends where your exchange is. So good question. That's a good question. No, you ain't gotta worry about that one. Not at all. Okay. Sync. Oliver, I'm trying to look for Sync right now, and I've never heard of it. I've never heard of Sync. All I have is Sync wrapped in Tether, my guy. I seriously doubt you want to take a look at that. I seriously doubt it. I mean, we can go look at it. Nothing. There's nothing. I'm not going to be able to chart Sync. Oliver, if you want to take a look at another coin, let Alex know, and we can take a look at other coin. I can't chart that one, so we have to move on. D&T, Lewis. Yep. D&T. Okay. D&T. Oh my gosh. Dude. Yeah, dude, you just got the confirmation. Oh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. When D&T moves, it really likes to move. It, like we talked about, D&T was up 20,000% since last March. Are we in March right now? Yeah. I can't believe it's been a year. That's crazy. Okay. Since a year ago, you've pumped 20,000% to the very top. Right here. Bottom to the top. 20,000%, dude. When this thing moves, it really likes to move. We can see that right here. Right here. All of this over here. And what you do is you like to have a massive pump and then you drop down really low and you consolidate. Big pump, consolidate. Big pump, consolidate. Big pump, consolidate. And you're consolidating right now. But on this Fibonacci that we have, you came back down to previous all-time highs. Your all-time highs were over here at 21 cents. You came up, you broke out of it, and you came up and you hit the 2618 perfectly. You hit it perfect. I was expecting a pullback at that level. Once you hit the 2618, expect to come back down. You came back down and you went all the way back down to the 1618. Hey, what's up, Drew? Thanks for the 5, dude. Thanks for answering my questions. Just curious your opinion on Doggy Coin. Does it have any real legs in the crypto terms? I see 6. Can I see 6 cents again? Probably, dude. You can probably see that again. Dogecoin, it's a meme coin. I personally don't. Okay, I traded Doggy Coin and I held on to it for 3 hours and I made 172% on it. I almost doubled my portfolio for jumping into it for a few hours. I only did that because I wanted to take advantage of what was happening during the pumps. It got the pumps. I made my money and I got out. That's really the only thing I'm going to be using Doggy for. What's up, Oliver? Thank you for the 3, bro. Thank you. Sorry for the sync 1. Can I swap it to... Yeah, you can swap it. Alex, can you switch that out for me, please? Thanks, bro. I love you, bro. I love you, Alex. So, and before we get into... I know... Let me just show you this real quick. We're going to do D&T. We haven't been live streaming that long. We have time. Where is Dougie? Dougie. Let me just show you the Dogecoin to Bitcoin pair on this chart over here, and you'll see what I'm saying. You'll see what I'm saying. A lot of new people are getting into Doggy, and that's good. I'm glad they're getting into crypto and they're seeing something new, and that's great. That's gravy. That's not the coin. I mean, that's not the chart. This is the chart. That's great. I'm glad that new people are getting into crypto. I'm sorry your first coin has to be introduced to you through Doge, but you're here, and that's all that matters. And you can learn. This is a Dogecoin to Bitcoin pair. Okay. This is what happens. I've shown people this and it's funny. You pump, you dump. You pump, you dump. You pump, you dump. Pump, dump, pump, dump, pump, dump. Pump, dump. What's up, 21 Kings? How you doing, bro? Thanks for the 10. Really appreciate that. SRK? We can do that. I really appreciate you, bro. Thank you. Do you see this? Do you see the correlation with Bitcoin and which coin does better? Bitcoin is always going to win to Doge. And that's exactly what you're being compared to over here. Dude, this is going back to 2014. Okay. This is the definition of a pump and dump coin. Yeah, it can rally. It can go really big. And I feel really bad for the people who buy up here at these levels because they get wrecked and then they get a sour taste in their mouth for crypto, and it sucks. And I feel sorry for them. So 100% of the time, based off the previous history, when you pump, you're going to dump. You're going to dump. This isn't a coin that I would hang on to long term. There's just so much more opportunity, so much more less risk out there than Doge. And I'm sorry if you guys love Doge. I'm sorry, but I'm giving you my opinion. That's all it is. Take it with a grain of salt. Yeah, Dogecoin can probably keep bumping, but expect the dump. Just wanted to show you that real quick. Okay, back to district. For Lewis. For Mr. Lewis. Okay. We were talking about how it moves up, it moves down, it moves up, and moves down. We need to go back to a 4 hour. You held that previous all-time high. Sorry, guys. That was all over the place. You broke through the all-time high, but look what you came back and did. You came back and you tested it, not once, but twice. And then this area, your golden mean ratio, was resistance throughout the entire thing. You can see resistance right here. You got above it. You came back. You tested it for support right there. That's really good. You played around over here. It was support and resistance all throughout here, all throughout there. You got above the golden mean ratio at 25 cents. 25 cents is a big psychological resistance. It's a quarter. You got to get above that quarter. You got above the quarter. And it looks like you're having a nice move right now on DNT. You're above the 1414. That's good. You need to turn the 1414 into support. That's 26.8. 26 cents 8. High 26, almost 27. Okay? Do that. You need to come over here and you're going to be touching 29 cents. And once you break through 29 cents, that's it. You're going to be going off. Just like what you did back here. When you broke 29 cents, I believe it was Malin and Carlos. Malin and Carlos are normally in here. They asked about this coin. And I told them when we were somewhere back here, I believe. Yeah, I think we were like somewhere over here at the 618. I told them when you break through that 30-cent area, you're going to be going up to 43 cents. That's going to be an area of resistance. It was. You got the area. You got the pullback. You got the pullback. So break through that 30 cents, but look at this resistance that you're going to be running into. Okay. You had a really nice support line way back here. Support. Can you see that green line? It's very faint, but work with me. Very faint. Support. And then you broke down out of that support. Okay. Now that's going to be resistance. So when you attempt to break out of 30 cents and come back for the retest, that might be an area of support. It may not happen that quickly. You actually might be able to have enough time between here and there, which is the 14th of March. Yeah, you're looking at about a week. That resistance probably isn't going to be an issue for you right now, but in the future, it will. That's going to be an area of resistance that's going to need to break through. Break 30 cents. You're going to be coming up to 43 cents really quickly. That's a lot of percentages away. A lot of percentages away. We're looking at 56%. That's gains. Those are gains. This thing moves, man. If it were me, and just based off of previous history, this thing has been up like crazy, 20,000% like crazy. Where can it really go? That's something you got to think about. You know, it's already gone up so much. Let's go to a weekly and let's take a look at some indicators. MACD, RSI. Okay, long term, I don't want to make you bearish on this coin, but look where you're at on your MACD. Your 12 and 26 day moving average are starting to top out over here. It's not going to happen for some time. You probably have a month, maybe 2 months, maybe, but eventually this thing's going to take a correction. It's going to take a correction. It's been up like crazy for a long time. What's up, AM?
CHC, please, thanks.
You did? How'd you do a donation? That's the first time someone's done a donation. How'd you do that, bro? Did you do that through the Steam Labs? Yeah, the Steam Labs. That the girl comes on and she reads your comment. You're the first one to do that. Show me how you did that. I want to see how you did that, dude. Yeah, thank you for the 10. We're definitely going to be taking a look at, what was that? Scroll down over here. Alex, did you catch that? I'm not seeing it in the chat. Let me know if you got that, Alex. So you're overbought. You're pretty overbought. And I'm sorry, no, you're not overbought, but you're on the MACD, you're up there on DNT. When this thing's gonna pull back, I'm not really sure. Like I said, you've been up 20,000%. This is the 4 hour. I want to go to a daily, actually. Okay, currently right now. I'm talking about the future, okay? I'm talking about the like next month, 2 months, maybe even further. But currently right now, looking at a daily, it's bullish. It's massively bullish. You have hidden bullish divergence on the 4 hour, on your MACD. You have negative momentum moving to the downside as price action is moving to the upside. That's massively bullish. Massively bullish. You're looking to get your cross right now, just to like a lot of these other coins. It's going to be dependent upon Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin does, these altcoins are going to follow. So get your cross at your 12 and 26 day moving average right there. You're finishing up your red on your histogram. Start making your green island. Start making your green island over there, and you're looking good right now. Yeah, a lot of potential to the upside. Be careful. Okay, be careful in this coin. You already know it can go up really high. It can pump, but it also can go down a lot. a lot more. So that's DNT. Let's talk about price targets to the downside. I don't see that happening. You don't want to get below 20 cents. Don't get below 20 cents. If you start getting below 20 cents, I think you've topped out. I think you might have topped out on DNT. The bull market is not over, so DNT could probably still go higher, but you drop below 20 cents over here, you're going to be looking a little bearish. You might want to be careful. So don't get below 20 cents. That's going to be that previous all-time high right there. Watch out. Just look for it, okay? Be very cautious with this coin. It pumps. It moves. It moves like crazy. Who do we got in the chat? What's up, Bill? Hello, Bill. GRT. Absolutely, dude. Samboy XRP. Bully. Are you a bully? You're a sandbox bully for XRP? Dude, I love the name. It's not a dead project. I don't think Ripple's a dead project at all, but it's just really funny. That's really funny. I would love to see you talk to somebody about Ripple. That'd be hilarious. Words, it's pumping like crazy right now. Oliver, are you next? Oh yeah, you are next. CHC. Okay. Yeah. Let's go look at CHC. You say it's pumping right now? Let's go see it. Let's go see it. I need some water. Get my purple water bottle. The only reason why I got it is because it was 50% off. And I think it's because it was purple. But it does the same thing as everything else. Look at the dollar, USDT, the tether on Binance, the one calculated by TradingView. I think that's enough. I think that is definitely enough. Whoa! Holy crap! Dude, you're not what the heck? Dude, why do you want me to do this coin? You're pumping. What do you have? You're going up right now. You're up 14% on the day. And we're only in 8 minutes. No, I'm sorry. 25 minutes on the new day. Oh yeah, well duh. Let's see which chart looks the prettiest. I don't like that. Let's do Binance's. Binance's looks really good. Inverse head and shoulders on the weekly. Not much I can say about this coin, dude. You are in outer space right now. You're pumping like crazy, okay? This was the area right here. This was your neckline. That was your neckline for... I've heard about this coin. CHC. Yeah, I've heard about this coin. Okay, this is crazy. This coin is insane. You had your breakout. Hey, what's up, Drew? $4.99. Thank you for the $5. Can you explain what's going on with ETH pump right now and long-term growth potential you see? Love the stream, homie. I will be a regular. I love you too. Yeah, we can. ETH right now, dude, is like. I think ETH is going to be going to $18,000 really soon, probably within the next 6 to 8 months. $18,000 ETH. The reason why you're seeing the pump right now on ETH is because of the developers came out and they talked about implementing EIP 1559. It's the Ethereum Improvement Proposal. And basically what that does... Hey, what's up, right? Thanks for the 10, dude. You want to take a look at Dash? Got you, homie. We'll take a look at Dash. So they implemented EIP 1559. That's going to add a burn feature to Ethereum. So now Ethereum is going to be becoming more scarce. People are going to want to get on the coin early right now, especially because you just broke all-time highs. You came back, you got the retest for ETH, and you're going off, dude. You're going off like crazy. So adding that burn feature to the coin is going to be making it extremely scarce. Extremely scarce. Where do I take this head? And that's why people are buying it right now. Because when July comes around, you'll probably be seeing a $5,000 ETH at that time. Maybe more. Who knows? Where do you take the head from? It doesn't even really matter because it's already played out. And I don't even know why I'm showing you this. But yeah, inverse head and shoulders over here. It played out. You got the breakout and hit it almost perfectly. But dude, there's really... I can't do anything for you, dude. I'm sorry. Dude, it's gone. Dude, it's gone. You went from... Holy crap, dude. This thing was what, 1/100th of a penny? Dude, you've gone up 6,700% in a year. You're on a parabolic curve. You have your first base on your parabolic curve, first base, second base, third base. You're going to be making a fourth base over here in a little bit. It's really hard to say where that base would be. I would have to pull out. Let's see if we could take a fib. It's not going to give you anything. Oh, it does. It is going to give you something. Okay. Okay, man, short term, right now, you're breaking through the 2618, okay? You're breaking through the 2618. You're at 25 cents. That's a psychological resistance. You're getting through it right now. I want to go to a 1 hour. Okay. This is playing out right now. Notice how you came over here after with your swing high down to your swing low. You came up, you hit the 618. That was resistance. That was resistance once you got above this 618 over here, you had your 786. It's being respected beautifully. 786, 618, huge area of resistance. You broke through it. You broke all-time highs, but look what you did. You came back and you tested all-time highs. Once you did that, and you broke through the golden mean ratio, that turned into support. Huge area of support for the golden mean ratio. You're going parabolic. This thing, it's like every hour this thing moves up like crazy. So, talk about a moon coin. Talk about a moon coin right now. You're breaking through 25 cents. You need to hold that area for support. Hold that area of support. If you don't hold that as support, you're going to be coming back down to 20 cents, 19 cents. Be coming down to the 1618. That's going to be an area of resistance. I'm sorry, support. That's going to be an area of support for you. So it looks like you're already kind of dropping down below it right now. It probably will go up and hit 36 cents. That's the next area of resistance. I can't do much for you after that, except for going to a 4 hour and taking a look at some indicators. Whoops. Yeah, dude, you're overbought. And you're actually you're going to that level. Yeah, you're hitting that level right now, my guy, where it becomes overbought and then you have a correction. Don't be surprised if you don't break through 25 cents. Don't be surprised if and it goes back down to 20 cents. It's very possible. And you can see in the past that's happened multiple times. You come over here and you hit 86 cents. I'm sorry, you hit 86 level on the RSI. You've done it multiple times. Here, all throughout here. Here, you're above it. You're above it right now. If it were me, I would trade. I would make a trade just based off seeing that. I would be happy with my profits. I would wait for it to come back down and for it to consolidate and wait for the next run up. Wait for the next run up, dude. The hidden bullish divergence played out so well for you. Okay, guys, remember we talk about hidden bullish divergence on all these other coins. Some of these coins are playing out a lot earlier than others, but check this out. Hidden bullish divergence, that was an indication of a massive move to the upside, especially for this coin right here. That bottom was down right here. When you made this island down here, that was that bottom right there. And you took off. The hidden bullish divergence is playing out right now. From the bottom to the top, you're looking at about 165%. Holy crap. Holy crap. Talk about gains. Okay. Your gap is that's a pretty big gap in between. But like I said, you got to break through 25 cents. You have to break through 25 cents. If you don't, you're going back to 20 cents. But if you break through 25, you're going to 36 cents. Excuse me, 37 cents actually. TA gets pretty hard to do coins like this. You're lucky because this sometimes is not so easy, man. Sometimes it's not so easy. This is pretty cut and dry. What's up, right? How you doing? I think IOTA will hit $10 this year. I have lots of bags. Yeah, we could take a look at that one for sure. Alex, can we add it to the list, homie? Thank you, dude. You're fast. You're fast, dude. Okay, that's it, man. That's all I got for you. Holy crap, dude. Nice moon coin. Nice moon coin. Make some money. Make some money over there. What do we got next? Coins are just keep coming in. We got to keep chugging along here. We got a lot of coins to take a look at, guys. Got a lot of coins to take a look at. Okay, we're gonna take a look at the one on Kraken. Binance, calculated by TradingView. I typically like those, the ones calculated by TradingView. I think that'll be enough for now, but let's go see how much data we have, where we're going. Oh, beautiful. Very pretty. Ooh, this one has way more data. Oh, wow. What was this? June 2018? Does this one have more? Why is that one so different? That one's on Binance. Tether. This one's calculated to US dollar. Either way, it's not really going to matter. That matters. Oh, we're in log. Never mind. We're in log. So it's going to look different on this one over here. Let's use this one. I like this one. This is one calculated by TradingView. Nice valleys, dude. Really nice valleys. You had your, wow, this thing took a massive dump. We took a massive dump over here, dude. You dropped almost 80% on Icon. Wait a minute, is that? Yeah, this is Icon. Yep. You think we'll hit $10 this year? Oh, that's for a different coin. We'll take a look at that one. Alex, can you add the notes on right to make sure that I answer his question on those? And if you can, add the other comments as well. If anyone has a question on their contribution, add it to the comments on there. Just edit it. Thanks, Alex. Where are you going right now? Where are you going? You had a swing high to a swing low. This is a huge fib. Huge fib. I don't like it. Can we take a smaller one? Can you take this one? I've never seen this. I've never seen Icon before. Yeah. Right there. That one's playing out really nicely. You even got the retest too. Okay. A lot of potential. It's still not enough data. It's not enough data. What about right here? Oh yeah. That's the number. That's beautiful. That's really beautiful. Okay. We have data to work with. Where are you going right now? Is the question. This is going back to September of 2000. So you're above the 1618, the 2618 right now. Momentum, negative momentum as oscillators are moving down. Might be a little bearish. What is it doing on the daily? Yeah, dude, yeah, it was a little bearish on the 4-hour, and the daily is telling me that it's looking a little bearish too. You almost got the cross. You almost got the cross right there. Look. See that? You were printing, you had hidden bullish divergence, as all these other coins do. And you were about to get the cross, and you didn't do it. You were printing your light red, and you just printed, you still have, oh, well, this is the new day, but you have a red bar right there right now. So I don't know, dude. That might be looking a little bearish for now, but you are holding the 2618 as supports right now. Why is my fib so huge? Holy crap. Let me shorten this up. This one's going to be a little harder. You're looking a little bearish right now. You're losing momentum, and you're right here, dude. Your RSI, your strength is weakening as you were making newer highs back here. You see how you're making new highs all throughout here? So that's a little bearish right now on Icon. So areas to look for, you need to hold above, and you can see how this was area of resistance / support back here. When you came up, the 2618, $1.64 was resistance. Okay, you flipped it, turned it into supports, and then you had to run up and you tried to hit the 4618. That's good. Okay, you didn't go all the way up there. You're really close. You're really off by 20 cents. Only off by 20 cents for hitting $2.69. You got rejected, but that's when everything sold off. When Bitcoin had its dip and it went down 26%, that's everything did this. That's okay. But look what happened. It was resistance all throughout here. Resistance. You came back. You flipped it into support. You do have your momentum moving to the upside right now. But based off the patterns, this one's not looking as good. It's not looking as good. You had this trend line right here. Right there. That's really pretty, actually. That one took you a while to break, but when you broke it, look at this candle that did that right there. That's when you got above the 1618. That's when you broke through the golden mean ratio. So resistance, resistance, resistance. You got above it, turned it into support. Okay. Yeah. That's good. But you've already pumped so much. I mean, out of this formation right here, dude. Let's go to a smaller. I need to dig in a little bit more because this one is kind of hard to do TA on. Go down right there. Okay. You're trying to break through the 1618. You're having trouble right now. You wicked up, and man, you even came up to 886, but you got rejected hard. You didn't close a candle above or hold it as support at the 618. You see that? You see that right there? There was a resistance, but you're playing between the 0.5 and the 618. That's good. That's good. You need to get above $2. You need to get above $2. That's obviously the 1618 and a psychological resistance as well. Once you break through that, you need to go to $2.20. When you break 220 and you turn that into support, then yes, I believe you'll be going higher, but you need to break through the 618. If you don't break through the 618, you're going to be dropping down below. You're going to be coming to $1.66. After that, $1.45. And then if you come down to the 0% down here, that's not good. You don't want to see that happen, dude. That's $1.15. That won't be looking good. That won't be looking good at all. So, okay, we have our supports. We have our targets. Be careful. Be careful right now. Let me just zoom in just a little bit better on. It's really hard to tell where this thing's going to go. I think you're in a pattern right now. Yeah, I do think you're in a pattern. Wish I can give you more. We have our targets. We have our supports. Man, it's a pretty ugly chart. You might be doing something like that. But you're hanging down towards the support line right there. If you have the breakdown, look for those targets below. It's really all I got for you, man. Really not a whole lot that I can say about this coin other than, yeah, you're running into that resistance right now. Back to 2018 area of resistance. Look at that. That was support back here. When you drop below it, it became resistance. And that's where you're at right now. That area. Got to get above that. Look at that. That's that $2 area. Got to get above $2, man. Got to get above it. But you've rallied so much from November, from the bottom to the top, 800, 900%, dude. It wouldn't surprise me if you got a correction. It really would not surprise me. Okay, that's it, man. That's all I got on an icon. That's all I got. It's a weird one. The chart's kind of weird on that one. Not as easy to chart. We've only been live streaming for 111 minutes. Feels like forever. Okay, anyways. Twisted Pair, hello. New Cypher and Orchid. Need Web3 to take off. Yeah, that's true, dude. That's very true. What are coins doing right now? Nothing. Doing nothing right now. It's okay. Let's see. What do we got next over here, Alex? VeChain. Okay. We have 4 more coins to get through, guys. I don't want to make this live stream any longer than 2 hours. We're approaching 2 hours here really soon. Typically, that's when my brain starts to get crashing. And it'll be no good to you. So, no more contributions for right now, guys. We'll save it for tomorrow. I'm going to go live again tomorrow. We can do some more TAs. But you guys want me to be able to have me be refreshed for tomorrow. Because these live streams and the TAs, they kill me. That my brain for the next few hours after this will just be numb and I can't think. I can't think at all. It's like running a computer on 100% for 2 hours straight. Okay. VeChain. Dude, VeChain was looking so good today. VeChain right here. Oh my God, dude. This thing's fat. It's so fat right now. You broke all-time highs. Get back over there. You broke all-time highs, bro. Dude, look at that. Dude. Okay, you're going to be coming up. You're going to be hitting 6 cents. After you hit 6 cents, then it's going to be 7. And then after that, when you break through the 1-618 over here, dude, you're going to 10 cents. You're going to 10 cents. And the reason why I say that you're doing that right now is because you just broke the all-time high back here. I don't know if that was that the all-time high? Yeah, that's the all-time high. You broke the all-time high. And when you do that, you can expect double after that on these fresh new coins. You can't say that for every single chart, just these coins. And why I say that is because you had your swing high down to your swing low. But look, you came into the 618, 786, and when you got above the 786, came back to retest. It came back to retest for supports, and you're gone. You're going off. You're going to have resistance over here at the golden mean ratio. Expect for that to happen. I don't see any downside happening at all. I don't even have to go look at any indicators, dude. I can just tell you this right now. Based off of what I'm looking at, you're going to be coming up. You're going to be hitting 7.5 cents really quickly. After that, 10 cents. And then after 10 cents, dude, you're going to be looking at 12 cents. That's going to be an area of resistance. Why was that resistance? Why is that resistance? Why is that up there? Okay, scratch that 12 cents. I don't know why that line's in there. Oh, that was double. That was double. I'm sorry. That was relevant. 12 cents. I knew I put it in there for a reason. I was like, why did I have that line in there? That's going to be the next area of resistance after the 1618. After 10 cents. After 10 cents, 12 cents is going to be an area of resistance. Once you break 12 cents, you're going to 15 cents. That's it, dude. VeChain doing things. It's moving. I don't have to, this was easy. Super easy. I don't even have to give you, if you get rejected over here at the 6 cents area, at the golden mean ratio, you could come back, get the confirmation for that all-time high back here. Okay. You can see how that was resistance back here. You put in a double top and then boom, you came down, but it wasn't over. It was not over. It took some time, but you eventually came back up. So get through that golden mean ratio. That's going to be resistance for you, my friend. It's okay if you come back down to the 6 cent area. Dude, it's not even that big of a drop. That's nothing to worry about. Yeah, that's nothing. That's like 8%. Your risk reward is so much better right now that you've broken through. You came back and retested the 786. It's not risky at all. A lot of reward for this one. Really good odds, as my friend says over here.
I like those odds.
This is yeah, dude, you're looking good. I can't tell you anything else other than you're going up. You're going up. 12 cents is your target. That's what you're looking for. 100%. It's going to be a 100% measured move up to the area from where you are right now. 100% is actually 13 cents, but from all-time highs is a 100% measured move. I can go look at some indicators for you, but there's really no point. There's literally no point. I need to upgrade. Yeah, dude, look at that. Look at that gap between the 12 and 26-day moving average. You're overbought right now. Like I said, come back, retest that all-time high, and you'll be fine. You'll be totally fine. Look at that hidden bullish divergence, guys. I'm telling you, this is what Bitcoin looks like. Hidden bullish divergence playing out. Is it not playing out? Positive, negative momentum moving to the downside. Price action moving up. And that's it, dude. It's playing out. Hidden bullish divergence. You're going up 12 cents, no doubt. Okay, that's it, man. Oh, did you hear all that? Man. Getting stiff. Feel like the Tin Man. Need some oil. Okay. We need to go look at SRK. SRK. Wow, I don't have Jack on it. I have it on KuCoin, Uniswap, and that's it. That's all I got. Hopefully these are good charts. Let's see. Yikes. Okay, man. Look, this is Spark Point, right? We're looking at Spark Point. Not a whole lot I can do for you on this, dude. This is a brand new coin. This is a brand new coin. It was released beginning of February, end of January over here. Okay, Here's a perfect example of what not to ask for, guys. I can't do anything on this. I can't do anything on this at all. I'll try. But it's not going to have much weight. Okay, I'm sorry, but there's really not much I can do with these coins. So there's just no data. There's just no data over here. Okay, that's an area of support. We know that. Let's get that pinpoint accuracy like that. It's not much I can do on this, man. I'm sorry. Okay, it's being respected still. So maybe I'll have to drop it down to a smaller time frame. This is a 1 hour. This is a 1 hour. It's being respected. It's being respected. I could do something with this. But man, this is really hard to do TA on, man. I'm just letting you know right now. So you had your swing high down to your swing low down here. And look, the 1618 resistance. We know that. Resistance, 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 resistance. When you got above it, you turned it in support. But look how many times you came back and you touched it for support. That's good. That's good. And those wicks are massive. It's a lot of buying pressure. A lot of buying pressure when you see those long wicks. Just like that. When you got above the 618, you turned the 786 into support. Right there. 786 turned it into support. And you're going up. You're going up. And you broke through the 1618. That's good. Right now on Spark Point, you could probably be going up to 1 cent. 1.7. You already broke 1 cent. Yeah, you did. What kind of token is this? I've never heard of this token before. Who requested this? 22 Kings. Hey, look, it's Malin and Carlos. How you doing, guys? Good to see you in here. It's been a while since I've seen you. You guys haven't seen my face yet. I got this new webcam. Yeah, man, not a whole lot I can give you on this. You're breaking through the 1618 right now. Next area that you're going to probably be going up is going to be the 268. I mean, you already got through all this, and it's because it's a new coin that's probably going to happen. That's probably going to happen. So that is not that. I mean, it's a good ways away. It's still a good ways away. If we take a measured move from there to over there, it's like 20%. Okay. It's okay, man. Being a new coin, I don't really know. You could probably come up here and hit the 4618, which is going to be 2.5 cents. Yeah. That'll probably happen. 60% away. It's a new coin, dude. I just don't have any data. That's the best I got for you. This is the best I got for you. If I go ahead and take a look at... Oh, that's right. I set this up so I can just do that now. You're overbought. You're overbought on the 1 hour. What about the 4 hour? You're overbought on the 4 hour too. So you might have a pullback. It might come back down to 1 penny, 1.5 pennies. It's going to be the 1414 right here. That might be an area of support for you. If you don't hold the 1616, then yeah, it's going to be coming down to the 1414. Like I said, man, not a whole lot I can give to you on this one. I'm sorry. We have targets, we have supports, but the weight on it is not, it's not good. There's not a lot of weight to it. Come touch 1.5 cents for support. You could possibly even come back down to the 0.013. 0.013, hitting that golden mean ratio for support as well. Look at these wicks. A lot of selling. A lot of selling going on within this chart. For the past 2 hours, it's been going through a sell-off. So that's it, man. That's all I got for you. That's all I got for you. All right, let's take a look at Dash. Yes. I will definitely take a look at Dash. And then we're going to look at Dash, and then we're going to look at IOTA, and then I'm getting tired. I'm getting hungry. My eyes are, they're super dry. I need to go put my glasses on. My contacts are like bothering the heck out of me. I appreciate everyone who's here though. Hit that like button, guys. Hit that like button if you guys are liking this content. If you're new, you got to subscribe. You have to. It's the law. No, I don't know. If you're getting value out of it, you know, subscribe. If you like what I'm doing, if you like me, subscribe. Okay, Dash. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, you hit the 2618 got rejected, but that's okay. That's okay because you came back and you hit that previous high from that swing. Oh my gosh, when did I chart this? This is a while ago. Yeah. Okay. It's kind of ugly the way I charted this. Why has my mouse been doing that? There it is. That's the number right there. Okay. Looking good, man. This is a longer term kind of play. Man, I was looking at Dash over here at like under $100. I totally should have got in. Totally should have got on Dash. Being respected. TA is being respected really well. How did that happen? See the 1618, 1618's being resistance. You blew through it, man. You blew through it. You didn't even hang out in here at all. But look what you did. You blew through it. You went up and hit the 1618 over here at $341, and then you came back down and you tested support. It's so pretty. That's beautiful. That's what you want to see. That's exactly what you want to see. This is healthy. This is very healthy for Dash. Down here, that support 185 at the 786. Beautiful, my friend. Looking really beautiful. You broke through all the hard resistances. That's it. You're above them all, and you're going to be moving up. Hidden Bullish Divergence playing out on the daily. Looking really good, my guy. Looking really good. Who ordered this? Right. Dude, I'm telling you, right. Is it Right-A? Right-T? Sorry if I mispronounce it. Well, look at this. Hidden Bullish Divergence. Same thing. All these coins are doing the same thing. This next week for crypto is going to be insane. Price action moving to the upside. Looking really good. Looking really good. You're about to get your cross. You're not overbought at all. You're sitting at 51. Smack dab in the middle of the RSI. Start getting above the 70 and you're going to be becoming overbought. But you have previous levels in the past that you know that you like to come hit. There's actually a few different levels here and here. There's 2 levels, okay? Watch out for this on Dash, because if you get rejected at 75 on the Dash, you're going to be having a correction. If you get above the 75 on Dash, you're going to be going much higher. You're going to be going up and hit the 87 on the RSI. And you can see that in the past. Look at 87 up here, 75. Down here, these are the levels. 87, 87, 75, rejection, 75, rejection, 87, correction. So, but you're not overbought at all. A lot of room to the upside. Dude, that's so awesome. This thing's going to pump. This thing is going to pump. You're probably going to be going up and hitting 500, 450 bucks, $450 really soon on Dash. I can say that. I can say that with confidence. For sure. Looking really good. Don't get below the 786, my guy. You get below the 185, 185 bucks, dude, you're not going to be looking good. That's going to be very weak. Okay, you're not too far away from that right now. You're sitting at 215. Get below 185 and close a candle. I'm not talking about a wick. I'm talking about closing candles, and then you test the 786 as resistance. You're going down. You're going down. That's the level. Do not get below 185. Get above that. The next area of resistance that you're going to be seeing is going to be this previous high over here at the 1618. That's 341 bucks. Once you break 341, dude, I'm not joking. Like I was talking about going up to like 400 or 500 bucks right here, 2618. Next level of resistance, and you can see that was resistance in the past right here. See how that came up? Boom, resistance. I didn't even have to go back in the past to see that was going to be resistance, because it is. It's on the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci does not lie. But that's going to happen. That's going to be a heavy area of resistance for you. $529. But it's not over. It's not over. That's probably when Bitcoin's going to be on its next run and be going up to $80,000. Hit $80,000, and Dash could probably come over here and hit 529. Probably come over here and hit 529, especially if it starts moving sideways. Bitcoin's up, hits $82,000, starts moving sideways. Ooh, that's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. That's what I'm looking for, man. Here's our targets. We have our supports. We have our targets. That's what we're looking for. Looking good, dude. So bullish. So bullish. Not even funny. So much money to be made in the crypto space right now. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. We've had so many freaking coins. I haven't been able to hang out with the chat. I enjoy hanging out with the chat more than I do like doing the TA. Actually, I love doing TA. And when I wake up, it's constant. I don't stop. This is what I do all day. This is what I do for a living. I do TA all day and I just stare at the screens. And I love it. This is my life. Freaky Pitbull. Hello. I think the Netherlands does have that many apps. Oh, you guys are talking among yourselves over there. I love to see you guys in here, Malin and Carlos. So glad to see you. Awesome Cam. You're going to be big. Nice beard. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. This is my COVID beard. Started growing this out during, actually, it's like a few months after COVID happened. But I said I wouldn't shave it until COVID was over. And, I'm probably not going to shave it for a while. Sandbox. RXB. Peace out, bro. Okay, we got one more, and then we're going to be out of here, guys. One more. IOTA. Going to be taking a look at IOTA, and then he has a question. Oh. Turn off my alarm. It's going off over there. He's got hitting $10 this year. Let's see. This is going to be the last TA, and then we're going to start wrapping this up here pretty soon. Look at it in Tether, calculated by TradingView, USD. That's enough. That should be enough. I've done this one before. Where's my chart? It's on here somewhere. No, it's not. I guess not. I guess it's not on my chart. That's okay. Wow, pretty. Looking really good, dude. Wow, nice pump. 35 cents to over $1. 30, and you're getting the movement right now. Whoo, that's bullish, bro. That's bullish. Ooh, you had an ascending triangle and you broke out of it. You came back for the retest. Dude. Yes. Look at this. Ascending triangle. Bullish pattern. Bullish pattern. And look where you're getting the retest right now, okay? You had the breakout. You had the breakout. You had your support, resistance, support, resistance. You're coiling up. You're coiling up. Boom. You broke out. You broke out, you came back for the retest, and now you're holding it as support. That's really good. That's really good. Where are you going right now? Where are you going right now? Oh, it looks like you're finishing up your red on the histogram over here. You do have... No, I'm not going to call that. No, you're not going to call it, but that's fine. That's okay. You're just moving sideways right now. You're showing strength. You have negative momentum moving to the upside right there on your histogram. Probably going to be getting across here pretty soon, and you're going to be moving to the upside. Lots of room to the upside, especially on the RSI. Especially on the RSI. You are showing a little bit. It's almost a little bit bearish. Almost, but you just had the breakout. You are sitting at the 50 on the RSI, but you're having weakening momentum going to the downside, and you're just, well, no, you're just going sideways. Okay, you're in a pattern. That's what that is. You're in a pattern. I was wondering, like, why is it just moving sideways like that? You're in a pattern over here. I don't know what kind of pattern, but it's being played out right now. So you had to break out, go into another pattern. Where's your target? Your target that you're looking for right now. It's a little high. Hold on. Oh, my brain is fried. I'm like... My brain hurts right now. Breakout target of $1.69. That's going to be the new area of resistance that we're going to be looking at. Was that resistance in the past? Hard to say. Let's go to a daily. Maybe the daily will show us a little bit more. It was way back there. See that? See how that was support back here? Support, 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 and you broke down. You broke down, and then that was it after that. So that's real. That's very real. That's so crazy how an ascending triangle playing out years later has a breakout target going to a resistance that was years before. It's amazing to me. I love the way TA works. It's respected so well. Okay. We know that's our breakout target. Let me get rid of, I want to keep the breakout target, but I also want to get rid of these purple lines so I can pull up a fib for you. So here's the fib right here. And look, dude, you're being held down by the 618. That's good. That's good. Look where you got. I heard a loud bang. Anyways, you hit your resistance. You hit your resistance over there at the 786, and you got pushed down. Got pushed right back down, right below that 618. That's going to be the area. Okay. When you want to start seeing this thing move, you need to get back above that 618. You're in a pattern right now. I'm not sure what that pattern is. I'll have to zoom in. We'll zoom in a little bit. But turn $1.32 into support. Turn that into support. Come up. Oh, it's a garbage truck. Okay. I was like, what the heck? $1.32 is going to be your resistance. Okay. Your support. I'm sorry. And then you're going to be coming up and hitting $1.44. Okay. After you break this area, this is going to be your zone. That's your zone right there. Hands down. Perfect. Okay. You got to get back above there. If you don't get above there, you're going to be coming down to 124. Break 124, you're coming down to 115. And you can see that that was area of resistance back here. And when it flipped into support after it broke, okay, 124, 115 are going to be the next areas of support. And at the very least, do not get below $1.05. That's going to be about $1. It took you a while to break above $1. That's really good. Stay above that $1, my friend. Go below $1. You're done. You're done, homie. You got to get out. You can't hold on to it. You need to be looking at this from a cold, calculated, and robotic standpoint. Don't put your emotions in it. Do not put your emotions in this because you'll lose. You will lose. I'm not seeing that right now, though. I'm not seeing that. I think you're looking pretty good. You're in okay shape. You have to get above that 1618. Get above the 1618, dude. You'd be looking pretty good. And then come test $1.44. And then once you break $1.44, you're done. You're out. You're going to be going up to $3 after that. $3 really soon. You'll be coming up here and you'll be hitting the 2618. Whoops. The 2618 right there. And then the 4618 after. That's it. That's it, man. Really easy. Super easy. You're really close to those targets. So look out for those. Look out for those. My brain's going to explode. Oh, it's crazy. Yeah, we've been live for, how long have we been live now, Alex? Over 2 hours. My voice is hoarse. It's so hoarse right now. Yeah, I think that's going to be it for tonight. Really appreciate everyone coming out, supporting the live stream, checking out these TAs. Thank you. Oh, look at GRT. Look, we turned that 382 into support. Guys, look, that's great. That's really good on GRT. And we're having a pump right now. It's because we ran into the support. We ran into that support for so long that eventually you got to start getting pushed up at some point. Yeah, looking good on GRT. GRT. But I think that's going to be about it for me. I'm fried. I'm probably going to go get a beer after this. Go relax. Probably do more charting. No, I'll probably go watch a movie or something. But yeah, if you guys want to, if you want to learn how to do TA like me, my book is down below. You can get it on Amazon. You can get it on Barnes Noble. For the price of lunch, you can learn how to do. For the price of lunch, you can learn how to do TA like me. It's on, like I said, Amazon. If you guys want to come talk to me in the Discord and the Telegram after this, you guys are more than welcome to. I'm in there all the time. We're always talking about stuff. Just don't come ask me about if you should buy, because I'm not going to answer you. I won't answer you about that. But other than that, come say hello in the Telegram, the Discord. Links are down below. If you guys want to get one of my logos for my t-shirts, that's in the store as well. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone who has supported this channel. We hit 5,000 subscribers yesterday. That's crazy. That's insane. Okay. I started doing this a little over 2 months ago. I started this up, and we're kicking it off really nicely. And it's because of you guys. This is not possible without you guys. So I appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for coming by. My name's Leland. And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.